Welcome to Cyber with Spider, your ultimate destination for ethical hacking, cybersecurity mastery, and DevSecOps. We offer hands-on tutorials, real-world demos, and expert guidance to help you navigate the world of cybersecurity. Dive into the exciting world of penetration testing, vulnerability scanning, secure coding, and DevSecOps integration. Stay up to date with the latest tools, trends, and career advice to become a top-tier cybersecurity professional. Subscribe now and become part of the Spider family. Get access to step-by-step guides, cybersecurity challenges, and in-depth lessons. Follow us across social media to stay connected for the latest updates, discussions, and exclusive content. Join the Spider family on YouTube, and let's build a safer digital world together.